Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. I just put up a huge one for our 1-year anniversary here on YouTube. It has a sold out Jeffree Star palette in there. And then also every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of January, it is the Nomad Berlin Underground palette. I'll put links in the description box down below that take you to the different videos, talk about how to enter all of my giveaways. So today we are talking Macy's, and this is the January Macy's box. It does ship out every month for $15. There's mainly sample sizes in there. There's usually a bonus gift, either a makeup bag or some sort of tool. And there's always either, I should say always, most of the time, either a $5 off coupon to Macy's or a $10 off coupon. Last month, mine wasn't in there, and it was supposed to be a $10 off, so I was really bummed. Anyway, let's find out what's in here. There's usually high-end brands, which is one of the reasons why I do like getting this. So let's check it out. Everything comes wrapped in tissue paper. So there's a card that talks about the different products. It does say that this box has over an $80 value for only 15 bucks. Hydration station. Hydration is and always has been a key factor in glowing skin. So we're hooking you up with lotions, creams, and more. For radiant skin, you can be confident in. Love. I'm all about hydration, especially this day and age. I have pretty dry skin, and it's getting drier as every year goes by. So there is a $5 off coupon this month for treat yourself. Enjoy $5 off your next beauty purchase. Can be used in store or online. First item in here is the bonus item, which is a jade roller. And this one's created specifically for Macy's. And dating back to the 17th century China, this baby is known to smooth and depuff your skin and increase lymphatic drainage, which basically means that it helps clear away toxins. The pro tip is using with your favorite serums or face oil, rolling up and away from the center of your face. On your cleansed face, use the large end of the roller, upward strokes on cheeks, forehead, and chin, and use the smaller strokes around the eyes and nose. Pro tip, place roller in refrigerator 30 minutes prior to using, clean with soapy water, and wipe away after use. So I already have one of these, and how I love using it is, yes, I do store mine in the fridge, but I also love using it with face masks. And when you've got the mask on your face and then really roll it in, get all the air bubbles out so everything sticks right next to your face. It also spreads out the serum that way. So since I already have one, I am putting this one in an upcoming giveaway. I've already started setting stuff aside for when we hit 700 subscribers, so help us get there. From Sunday Riley, which is cruelty free, is their good jeans. Meet the lactic acid treatment that would exfoliate your skin, get rid of dead skin cells that clog pores, and give you that perfect dewy finish. Full size retails for $105. Use 2 to 3 times a week to keep your skin glowing and smooth. I do already have been using this, obviously different version. Love it. And how I want to try and start using it, because I've heard amazing things with this, is do a derma roller with this. So I think I'm gonna try that. This is perfect size to throw in the bag if you're just traveling. I don't mind getting skincare samples if it's something like this that I already have and I know and I use. So love that. By Este Lauder is the Advanced Night Repair. I want to get the full-size serum Advanced Night Repair because I've heard amazing things, but it's so expensive. Anyway, this is the eye version. It's ready for overnight refresh on those eyes. Repair, hydrate, brought in while you sleep with Este Lauder's top eye formula. Full size of this does retail for $62. And the pro tip is apply before bed and wake up to smooth, bright eyes. I struggle a lot with under eye bags, so looking forward to this one. And I think I might put this one in the fridge too, because I think that cooling aspect will help there as well. I am so excited about this one because I've had the full size and gone through many bottles of the full size, and I'm completely out right now. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto-replenishing hydrator. You guys, 72 hours, yes. This is all about hydration. It will keep your skin moist, and I absolutely love this. This is the Wonder Gel Cream on Smooth. Has an auto-replenishing properties to help your skin rehydrate itself for up to 72 hours. Full size is $39.50. Pro tip, make this a part of your AM and PM routines for max hydration. Love, love it. By Ahava, which is also cruelty free, is their Sea Kissed Hand Cream. I used their water one for a long time, and that was next to my bedside table. And so I haven't tried this Sea Kissed before. It is Dry Knuckles meet your match. This mineral rich cream moisturizes and smooths your skin. Plus, you'll love the breezy aquatic scent. Full size is $24, and pro tip, apply regularly to protect your skin from the cool waters ahead. I'm looking forward to this one. Let's open it up and see what it smells like. Something about it is so relaxing, and it just makes me think of kind of laying out on a beach and just relaxing in the sun, and love it. Can't wait. From Caudalie is the Vinosource S.O.S Thirst Quenching Serum. Have tried this before, you guys, and loved it. Highly recommend it. It has restored the moisture balance of your skin with this ultra luxe and oil-free serum. Your newly hydrated skin will thank you. Full size does retail for $49. Pro tip, indulge in a little me time. Try it with your jade roller. That's a really good idea. The last two products are perfume samples. There is a his and a her. For the his, it is Versace. It is their Eros Flamme et de Parfum. We've also included a scent for him to lump. Versace's spicy blend of Italian fruits, exotic black pepper, flowers, and woods. Full size of 3.4 ounces, retails for $102. Let's just spritz a little. I really like the mix of the fruit and the leather, and that's what I really pick out of it. I really like this one. I don't know if it necessarily reminds me of my guy, though, would be the only thing. I don't know, the more it lingers, the more it kind of does. And I think it was just that first initial, not so much, but as it lingers, it does. So what I do with these specifically for the guys is I have a little box. I keep them in my back of my closet, and then I put them as little stocking stuffers for my son and my husband. Then the Her product is from Burberry. Her Blossom Eau de Perfume. This London-inspired scent reflects adventurous, bold spirit of the city, an energetic and addictive blend of gourmet fruity notes, jasmine and other floral notes, and musk. Full size is 3.3 ounces. Retails for $109. And let's put this one this way. I don't really smell the fruity notes that I was talking about, which I was really hoping for, because I love like citrusy type smells. I don't really get that with this one. I do get a lot of the floral more than anything else. I will obviously keep it. What I do with these is I have a little glass container, and it's kind of fancy looking, although I got it from the dollar store. And I put these in there, and then I leave these in my spare bedroom. And then when guests come over, they can try out whatever samples they like. So I thought it was a pretty good month. Obviously there was nothing makeup related kind of in this month. It was all skincare, hydration, which I really, really love. I'm trying to get more into that skincare and specifically hydration this next year is one of my goals. So I got stuff for me and stuff for you. What were you guys' favorite things in here? I am going to shortly do kind of a chatty, get ready with me and get to know me better. And so if you want to leave questions down in the comments down below, I'll be sure to add them to my list when I do that video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. All you have to do is hit that notification twice and that turns on the notifications for you. As always, you guys have a beautiful day and I will see you soon. Bye.